Moving on and shifting our focus to another story that we're tracking very closely. In the alleged sacrilege video case involving Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, a new twist has emerged from Haryana. Gurugram police are investigating claims that two senior Punjab police officers paid 10 lakh rupees to get a forensic report declaring that the footage was fake and manipulated. Now, a case has been filed. Two individuals have been arrested as well. Their names are Ankit and Arun, accused of conspiring to generate fake forensic and cyber analysis report. The case was filed following a complaint by a forensic expert. As per the complainant, in this case, he was offered a bribe of 10 lakh rupees to fudge the findings. Digital evidence, financial transaction and the role of others being possibly involved is now being probed as well. Listen into these reactions coming in from Gurugram police and mainly from the ACP Naveen Sharma.
उसमें दो लोगों को अभी हमने गिरफ्तार किया जाएगा। इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है जिसमें अंकित नाम का बंदा है। अंकित जो कि NIA में साइबर एक्सपर्ट है, ये एड होक पे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट बेस पे काम करता है। अरुण, वीडियो वायरल थी जिसमें इनकी ये कोई इस पे उसमें इन्होंने फर्जी तौर पे कुछ बनाया है और उसको यूज कराया है इन्होंने, जो कि इनके पास कोई मान्यता प्राप्त लैब नहीं थी। मुख्यमंत्री जी की वो थी, उसमें उन्होंने कुछ AI जनरेट करने के लिए फर्जी तौर पे बनाई है, तो उसमें हमने इनको हिरासत में लिया है।
And let's now take you through the explosive claims by Haryana cops. Let's take you through claim number one, that is 10 lakh rupees paid to procure the forensic report by the Chief Minister. Claim number two is video analysis fixed to get a pre-decided conclusion on that. Individuals posing as Punjab officials, they approach experts there in Gurugram. Revision sought till report matched the narrative that the Punjab government wanted to set. Report issued in the name of the forensic institution. So these are the claims that have now come to the fore, and this has given more attack to the opposition party in Punjab. In fact, Bharatiya Janata Party is doubling down on the demand for the resignation of the Punjab Chief Minister. Bharatiya Janata Party is saying that Bhagwant Mann reportedly claimed that the videos were AI generated and assured that forensic reports from two independent labs would be submitted to substantiate his position. However, subsequent investigation have revealed that both forensic reports were fabricated and labs cited in fact in support of these reports either did not exist in the manner that was claimed or they were falsely represented by in fact the Chief Minister. Congress netas are saying that Mann should break his silence on whether Punjab cops were sent to Gurugram or not. Listen in to the reactions coming in.
The unthinkable has been done by Bhagwant Mann. First to commit act of sacrilege. Everyone has seen the viral video on which Akal Takht has taken a very strict action against Bhagwant Mann, and then in order to mislead Akal Takht, in order to show and create an impression that the video was fake, was AI generated, you manipulate the forensic labs, the experts, by trying to bribe them and pay them. And now the Gurugram police has exposed this entire conspiracy done by Bhagwant Mann using the state machinery, the police machinery, to do exactly that. So, first you commit act of sacrilege and then you use state machinery to cover it up.
After this FIR, after the video of Jaspreet and the other boys who have given the FIR and their statements, I think the Chief Minister of Punjab doesn't have any way out. He must resign, because in Sikh history, in Punjab history, in our country's history, this has never happened. That head of a state has tried to prove Shri Akal Takht wrong. That has never happened. Everybody has bowed his head before Akal Takht Sahab.
ये बहुत ही संवेदनशील बात है और बहुत ही सीरियस और गंभीर बात है कि एक मुख्यमंत्री अपनी वीडियो का सच छुपाने के लिए श्री अकाल तख्त साहब को चैलेंज करे, जथेदार साहब को बोले कि वो झूठ बोल रहे हैं, बाकी लोगों का एक्टिव रोल, और उस दिन भी ये नहीं बताना कि ये कौन सी लेबोरेटरी है। आज मैंने दोनों लेबोरेटरी का नाम भी बता दिया है और ये भी बता दिया कि उस एड्रेस पे ये लेबोरेटरीज एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती हैं।
Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has once again rejected all the allegations, saying that these are cheap political tactics against him. He said in his defense that these are political attacks. A fake video is being circulated on social media, attempts to defame him on religious ground ahead of the elections. Person in video bears no resemblance to him, is what he has said in his defense. Branded guilty because the video went viral on social media. Had the video examined by a forensic lab. BJP has targeted the owners of this lab, is what he has said. BJP, Akali Dal and the Congress Party, they have joined hands. Lab owners were subjected to torture and pressure. People will decide what is right or wrong, is what Bhagwant Mann, the Chief Minister of Punjab, has said on this. Listen to what he said.
पिछले कुछ दिनों तो एक बड़ी घटिया राजनीति के हथकंडे तहत मेरिया फर्जी वीडियो जड़ियां ने रिलीज की जा रही जदों किसी होर पासे इन्हों का बस नहीं चलता तो फिर ये धर्म वाले पासों मैनू बदनाम करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। पिछले दिनी जिहड़ी वीडियो जिहदे विच ना मेरी शरीरक बनतर उस बंदे नाल मिलती है, ना मेरा कद काठ मिलता है, ना मेरे तुरन का अंदाज या मेरे खड़न का अंदाज मिलता है, वो वीडियो नूं वायरल करके मैनू दोषी करार दिता गया। पर संगतां ने वो वीडियो देखी, पूरी दुनिया के लोगों वालों मैनू सैकड़े फोन भी आए, वीडियो मैसेज भी आए कि जी सानू तो जमा शरेआम पता लग रहा है कि वीडियो नकली है। उस तो बाद असी ने भी फोरेंसिक लैब तो जांच कराई। हुण वो फोरेंसिक लैब के जिन्ने भी मालक ने उन्होंने बीजेपी ने हमला करता, तो उन्होंने उन्होंने लैबां के मालकां नूं FIR का डर दे के, टॉर्चर करके या डरावा दे के ये कहने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि ये कह दो कि असी इन्ने पैसे ले सी, अज तो रिपोर्ट फर्जी बना दी। अच्छा, जिहड़ी लैब चों असी कराया वो फर्जी, जिहड़ी लैब चों इन्होंने कराया वो असली। संगत नूं सारा पता कि कौन असली ते कौन नकली।